Smoke. Go. Fire. Go. Okay, we're clear for a full run through. All systems checked. This one's for real, guys, so watch out. And action.
That is some good special effects work, guys. You go ahead and take a bow. Yeah. Show them what else you can do. This type of special effects is called motion control because all of the motion is controlled by a computer. Every movement that you see right here is programmed into a computer, which allows the arms underneath the cars to manipulate them into any position. But you wouldn't see those arms in a movie or TV show because later they would be completely erased with the help of computer special effects. You guys are lucky because you only have to listen to this song once today. Something about gasoline, more about